Hello everyone, my today's essay is on Holi. Let's start. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated every year in all parts of the country. Holi is celebrated every year in the Hindi month of Falgun or March all over India. The month of Falgun indicates the transition of winter to summer season. One day before the colorful Holi festival, Holika Dahan is conducted, where huge bonfire is set and various rituals are conducted. Holi is celebrated with full joy and enthusiasm as it brings closeness among people. Religious texts say that day of playing Holi was started by Radha and Krishna. On Holi, we meet our relatives, neighbors, friends and color them with gulals. People of North India sing various folk songs on Holi to celebrate the festivity of the season. On Holi, various mouth-watering delicacies are prepared. Holi is the festival of togetherness, harmony and peace and spreads love and unity among people. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.